diet free. A simple way to remember it, I got 8 habits, and we're gonna do them one at a time. Hi, I'm Zonya Foco. Maybe you've seen me on PBS or read one of my best-selling books, or maybe this is our first time meeting. Either way, I'm so excited to partner with you with my no diets, no counting, no kidding, diet-free program. Want to lower your cholesterol? Got it. Drop your blood pressure? Got it. Control your blood sugar? Got it. Lose weight short term? Nope. Lose weight forever? Got it. Filmed for PBS, you'll laugh and learn via video each week, while also completing activities using my coordinated kit of materials. I know you'll find success with my 8 proven step-by-step habits that replace any kind of dieting. Just think, 3 months from now, your doctor will say, "What have you been doing? Your numbers are great." Just smile and say, "I'm diet-free." Your family will also benefit. So I invite you to keep watching the rest of this short video, as it will explain exactly what you can expect. Then sign up and get started living diet-free. In a year's time, you would subtract this much sugar from going through your body. Who's in charge of your sweetness acuity dial? The 8 habits that will change your life. I am so excited. In a year's time, it grows to this much fat.
Oh my gosh.
It's down 110 pounds. She does races now. Races are a very big part. Lunch meat, turkey franks. We know that when we add more fruits and vegetables, it drives our blood pressure down. 7 is full and starting to
And
overeat.
today, 12 months later, I'm in a size 10.
We have really seen the gamut from our coworkers, from changing one habit to changing all of the habits to making huge long-term lifestyle changes.
Having the opportunity to teach this class has literally saved my life. I've lost 30 pounds. I've dropped my cholesterol by over 30 points.
I lost 27 pounds and the number keeps going up.
My cholesterol dropped 40 points in the 10-week program.
But by taking this class, it was like, I get it. I understand it now. And it was so simple.
Oh, she is good. The energy that comes from her, I've never seen anybody like that.
It's contagious. You have to pay attention. You have to think about it.
Some of them who have tried Weight Watchers, some Nutrisystem, some Jenny Craig, weight loss clinics, and our class participants tell us that this is undoubtedly the best approach, the best class that they have encountered.